And another person who is in the building is the Variety House organization, who is having a workshop for all the actors out there, and it is for free in partnership with the Philippi Art School. So ladies and gentlemen, if that sounds really good to you, then make sure you're staying tuned, because I feel like one of the most hindering things when it comes to acting at the beginning is whether you don't know how to act, you don't know if you have the skills to act, and you don't have the proper resources to actually go out there and make your dreams a reality. And Variety House has said, you know what, I got you when it comes to this. So ladies and gentlemen, we have the founder in the building, who is Ulonwabo, as well as Andile. Welcome to the show, guys, and thank you for joining us.
Which one? From this one. This is nature. Stand still. Stand still. Stand still. Stand still. Stand still. Andre, let's go! Andre! Stop it! Stop! Andre! 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 Stand the mama! Stand the mama! Andre! The person gives the line back to another person. Go, let's go.
Can you see it?
Go! Come on, Dana. There's no pause in between. There's no pause in between. No pause in between. We can't read this script, read customer rehearsing. In line one day, this is one line.
Siyathandana nje mntu wamuthimba manule nengozi nathu kumama bantwana love too. I guess it never was true. Guess it never was true. Siyathandana nje mntu wamuthimba manule nengozi nathu kumama bantwana love too. I guess it never was true. I guess it never was true. Jokami ngoma yila andikwazi nomcula monelisu yakhumbula hamakhasi shofula nisistandwa somthokula unibheka unobula usika sibdelile komele ndikshile godola ngoduka sedifisile monte indaba zohlobo sodlula ngumhlobo woqobo zingangawe mina rhoqo ziva ngase Flose kwibithe ngekhonje ngixelele ngekuthanda bese sicelela ivamna your absence my princess makes me upset sicela uBugs Bond yakudlalela ipiano kwivocal engayiwayo sizibaqe zethu izwimi sala kumsala hamthumela kumsama koyisa yathemba uyaphila kothando lingayiwayo nanifuna ube ngowami umfazi ngizokulobola ngethokazi nozakuza kwizoba ngmakazi.
Right?
Now we are auditioning.
Apha ke besise 469 kwenye yeeworkshops kaBhudulweni waboncinci.
Yefondini bekumnandi kuyiloo nto abantu bebhiyozela ubona usitoki wakagqibeka the Empire. Hayi stoki hayi yefondini uyawuncama ezi trend ezikhoyo.
Does it understand?
Hayi.
Does it understand?
Mamela ne. Sicela ngimxelele ubhuti wami. Ekhuluma ufuna iPlayStation?
Into endikhathaza iyi-one. Principal wakho ufowunile. Uthi akasayi brother wakho esikolweni. Uthi akasayi la mntana esikolweni ndimnika imali okuba
Yefondini bekumnandi man ezi workshops yayipholisa ingqondo. Shout out to uBhudulweni waboncinci ngocinga ukwenza into entle ngolu hlobo athi xa iyekile ukugqibeka the Empire acinga ukukhuthaza abanye ekasi lakhe.
Shoulder lenuka ezithathwayo like ufuma bana hey nazi le camera uyayibona lapha kuwe ebusweni ngasikuyijoni yabo sabe sifocus kuzinto njalo. So